Welcome to the gardening station at the Fruitvale Schoolhouse Museum Living History program. At this station, students will be learning about Fruitvale's abundant natural resources and painting their own clay garden pot to take home. Please make sure to start with introductions before beginning any of the activities. At this station, students will have the opportunity to see some of the plants around the school. Students must be always accompanied by an adult. Please be aware that this is a rural area, and for your safety, we ask that you and the students stay in the designated areas and be cautious of animals and snakes. Start by reading about the history of land use in the area. You will point out the native plant garden just past the table, which features native California plants that were utilized by local indigenous people. Then you'll read about the influx of immigrants into Placer County and how the Fruitvale area was used for agriculture. This is represented in the 2 garden boxes next to the table. Ask the students if they've ever gardened and what they know about the process. Then explain that students will be getting a seed packet to take home and that now they get to paint their own clay pot. Clay is a natural resource of Lincoln, and the Gladding McBean factory is located in downtown Lincoln. The factory was well known for their beautiful decorative terracotta work, and they even produced the brick that's here at Fruitvale. Have each student get a pot and write their name on the bottom. Students can copy the suggested patterns on the laminated sheets, or they can make their own designs. When they're done, have them set their pots to dry on the side where the bench is. All of the pots and seed packets will be collected by the teacher at the end of the day to take back to the classroom. When the students are done painting, as a group, walk them over to the fence and point out the bedrock mortars in the granite outcropping. Explain that these are the bedrock mortars you talked about earlier that the local Nisenan Maidu used to grind acorns. When the students are done looking, walk them over to the native plant garden. Using the attached interpretive guide, read how indigenous people use native plants and why they're important to our local ecosystem. If there's extra time, students can help in the gardening boxes by digging out weeds and removing rocks. Show them the different hand tools and allow them to use them. Students must be supervised by an adult and remain in the gardening area. Keep your students until the bell rings and then walk them to the next station. At the end, put all the material back in the box. Throw away any paper plates with paint and rinse out the paintbrushes at the spigot at the side of the building. Thank you.